Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Postmates account. Since Postmates is now part of Uber, you'll need to use the Uber app. First, open the Uber app and go to Settings. Next, tap Privacy, then select Delete Account. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your identity. Make sure there are no pending payments or active orders. After submitting the request, your account will be deactivated immediately and permanently deleted after 30 days. Any remaining credits or promotions will be removed. And that's it. That's how to delete Postmates account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.